Welcome to ImageQuest. I'm Milton Bartley, co-founder, president, and CEO. When I founded ImageQuest, my dream was to create an organization that would provide best-in-class service and allow us to use technology as a competitive advantage for our clients. That's still true today. We're uniquely focused on providing best-in-class service at a predictable cost with a focus on IT compliance and cybersecurity. Our clients love us because of our ability to simply explain complex issues, the responsive support they receive from every member of the ImageQuest team, and our regulatory insights that they know keep them and their data safe. And in return, we have great relationships with our clients that lead to a steady stream of client referrals. Our clients know that our success depends wholly on their success. So I invite you to look at our website and then contact us to see exactly how we can help you.